Hello kids, how are you all? Today we discuss our chapter 5, Food and Shelter for Animals. Here we have some warm-up questions. Write G for animals that eat grain, T for animals that eat insects, and F for animals that eat flesh. Now everyone look at this picture, students. Now you can identify who can eat flesh or who can eat insects. So first is a spider. What it eats? So it eats insects. Right eye here. The second picture, what is this? This animal eats flesh. So write it F here. And the third one, there is a mice. And what it eats? It eats grains. And the last one is lizard. What it eats? It eats insects. So write I here. Now we will start our chapter. Okay? Like all living beings, animals too need food to eat and homes to live in. They need food to be strong. Let's know about food for animals and shelter for animals. First, we discuss about food for animals. Plant-eating animals. Animals like cow, horse and the elephant eat only parts of the plants. Such animals are known as herbivores. Okay students, so that means बच्चे वो animals जो क्या करते हैं, सिर्फ आपके प्लांट्स को ईट करते हैं या कोई पार्ट आपके प्लांट का ईट करते हैं, हम उनको क्या बोलते हैं बच्चे? Herbivores. Get it students? Now look at the picture. Here is cow, horse, elephant. Now we discuss about the flesh-eating animals. Animals like the tiger, lion, fox and the wolf eat flesh of other animals. Such animals are known as carnivores. So student, look at your pictures. You can see that these are the animals. ये वो animals हैं जो क्या करते हैं बच्चा? दूसरे animals को खाते हैं और उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Carnivores. Look at your picture. Leopard, lion, wolf. Now we discuss about the animals who eat the birds. Plant and flesh-eating animals and birds. Animals like bear, dog, crow eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Such animals are known as omnivores. So that means बच्चा वो animals जो आपके plants और animals दोनों को खाते हैं उनको हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? Omnivores. Okay students? Look at your picture. First one is bear, dog, crow. Okay students, get it? Now we discuss about the insect-eating animals. Animals like frog, spider, lizard and chameleon eat insects and worms of their food. These animals are known as insect-eating animals. Look at the pictures students. First is chameleon, spider, lizard. Now come to the next. Here is grain-eating animals and birds. So grain eating means जो किसको खाते हैं बच्चा? Grains खाते हैं. Okay, now read it. Animals like the sparrow, pigeon, rat, hen, sparrow, etc. eat grains. Such animals are known as grain-eating animals. Look at the picture student. Squirrel, hen, rat. Look at the picture students. Squirrel, hen, rat. Now what we have? We have check and mate. A part. Fill in the blanks with correct words. First is elephant and horse eat parts of plants. So you have to write in your book plants. Second is a spider eats. So spider eats insects. Third one is animal that eat flesh are called flesh-eating animals. Write down it in your books. B part. answer the following questions. First question is, give 3 examples of plant-eating animals. Everyone know that? Now tell me. You can write cow, buffalo, elephant. Second is, give 3 examples of grain-eating animals. You can write pigeon, sparrow, hen. Come to the third. Give 2 examples of insect-eating animals. So you can write lizard, spider. Okay, student, write down these answers in your book. Now we discuss about the shelter for animals. What we discuss? We discuss about the shelter for animals. That means बच्चे जैसे हम लोग कहाँ रहते हैं? अपने घर में. किस लिए हम अपने घर में रहते हैं? धूप से बचते हैं. कभी हमें गर्मी लगती है तो भी हम घर में एसी ऑन करते हैं. That's how एनिमल्स का भी क्या होता है बच्चे? घर होता है. उसको हम किसके अकॉर्डिंग डिफाइन करेंगे? Shelter for animals. Animals need shelter to save them from the heat, cold, rain and enemies. Some animals make their own homes. Some animals make their own homes. They find some places to live. Now everyone look at the pictures. In your first picture, a giraffe lives under a tree. A lion lives in a den. A monkey lives on a tree. So these are the 3 pictures which defines the different type of shelter of different animals. That means students, जैसे कि हर किसी का घर बिल्कुल अलग होता है वैसे ही हर एक एनिमल का घर भी कैसा होता है बच्चे? डिफरेंट होता है. Now we discuss about some other interesting things. Animals that make their own homes. Do you know? Thousands of honey bees live in one hive. Anyone know that? Okay, so this is an interesting thing now, that thousands of honey bees live in a one hive. Now everyone look at the pictures. Birds live in nest. Bees make hive to live. A spider spins web. A rabbit digs a burrow. We make shades for some animals like dog, horse, cow, etc. Now everyone look at the picture. In your picture, dog lives in kennel, horse lives in stable, cows lives in shed. So everyone get it? Now again what we have? We have check and mate. So what we have? Write T for true and F for false statements. First is, lion lives under a tree. Is it true? No, it is false. Second, a spider spins webs to live. Yes, it is true. We can stable for horses to live in. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Birds make nests to live in. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Now we wrap up what we read in this chapter in a nutshell. Animals need food to be strong. Animals that eat plants are called herbivores. Animals that eat flesh are called carnivores. Animals that eat both plants and flesh are called omnivores. Squirrel, hen, rat are the grain-eating animals. The lizard, spider, chameleon eat insects. Animal needs shelter to save from heat, cold, rain and enemies. Some animals find places to live. They do not build their own homes. We make shade from some animals. Now we discuss some keywords. Herbivores, animals that eat plants. Carnivores, animals that eat flesh. Omnivores, animals that eat both plants and flesh. Thank you, students. We will meet again in the next lecture.